Hi friends, today we are going to talk about hand hygiene technique.
Hi friends, my name is Vinay and I am an infection preventionist. Today let us talk about the importance of hand hygiene because as we all know now there is a lot of panic which is created related to coronavirus, and WHO has declared the coronavirus as a pandemic. So hand hygiene plays a vital role here. So let us talk about the importance of hand hygiene. And here whatever we are discussing, we are doing as per WHO 2009 guidelines. As per that WHO 2009 guidelines, there are 6 steps, and let us talk about that. And all these 6 steps, whatever you do, and the duration is 20 to 30 seconds, and all 6 steps has to be repeated 5 times, then only we can achieve that 20 to 30 seconds target. So let us talk about one by one. Taking adequate amount of hand rub on your palm. The first step is your palm to palm 5 times. The second step is your right hand over your left dorsum, again vice versa. Your finger interlaced, interlocking, your thumb rotation, again 5 times, vice versa. Cleaning your tip of your fingers, vice versa. Once your hands are dry, you are ready to touch any surface. Thank you so much.